Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about how to reshape an Numpy array. So friend, here we have created a Numpy array. First of all we import Numpy as np, then we will create array is equal to np.array, and then I will just show you this array. I will just type the name of the array and we have seen this array. So now friend, how to reshape our array? So this is basically a one dimension array. If you want to find out what type of array is this, so I will type arr dot and dim. What I will type? And dim and enter. So it will show 1. So it is one dimensional array. So arr and dim for one dimensional array. This is the name of the array and then and dim. Next is, if we want to shape this array, to reshape this array, I will type arr, sorry, it's capital, arr dot shape. So it will give you 10, so it have 10 elements and then it will show comma, and then so it is it has 10 elements and one, as if it shows nothing, it means it's a one dimension. Then we will reshape this array. So to reshape, I will type here reshape. So how can we reshape this array? So these have 10 elements, so how we can reshape that? To reshape that, what I will do, I will type command, I will go to this line only, arr, I will just go here, or either I will first print this and then here I will reshape this. Okay, so we have an array here and then we will reshape it. So to reshape, I will type arr, name of the array, then I will type equal to arr dot reshape, arr dot reshape. Then I will type 2, then I will type 5. So it has 10 elements, so I will convert into two dimensional array with 5 elements. Run. So run, I will type arr again, run. So it was converted into two dimensional array. This is easy step to convert an array to two dimensional array. So it's a wonderful way of creating an array into two dimensional. Now if you want to see it, arr dot and dim, what type of array is this? Arr and dim two dimensional array, so it will show 2. Then I will go here and type arr dot shape. So it will give two dimensional array with 5 elements in it. Okay, so two dimensional array with 5 elements in it. So that's the way we are finding the array. And if you want to again reshape it, arr again to our one dimensional array dot reshape, and here I will give 10, sorry, and type arr, sorry, it's capital arr. So again it converted into one dimension. So we can convert into one dimensional to two dimensional to one dimensional. So we can multiple dimensional, changing from one dimension to another. So now what I will do, I will just copy this and now I will try to convert it into three dimensional array. So what I will do, I will go here and give some more elements. For that I will give some more element like 11, then 12, then I will type arr, sorry, we have to, oh sorry, where is the array? Here is the array. So I just give it, I just copy this, I copied the wrong one, so I just copy this one, you just make an array and copy that, so it will be easy. And here I will give some more elements. So now what we will do, I have created an array 1 to 15 values. So now what I will do, I will convert this array into 3-dimensional array. So I will write arr again, arr dot reshape. So reshape is the command where we will converting it from 1 dimension to your 3 dimensions. So how we can do that? We open this bracket reshape, arr dot reshape, then I will give 3, like it have 3 rows, then comma, then it have 1, like is a 1 is the column, like is a matrix here, 1 matrix, and 5 is the element. So and then I will write arr to run this array. So now we have created our 3-dimensional array. So you will see it's the 3-dimensional 1 2 3 1 2 3 here close. Next type of array we can make 3-dimensional with this arr dot reshape, and this time I will create 3 is number of matrix, 1 is here column, and 5 is the element. And again I will convert it into your and just print it. So we have created again 3-dimensional array. So this way we can convert our 1-dimensional into 2-dimensional, 2-dimensional to your 1-dimensional. So this is the way. So we have 15 here. So reshape is the command which is used. So we have used reshape for converting 1 dimension to 2-dimensional, and again 2-dimensional to 1-dimensional we can make also, like if you want to convert this array like 3-dimensional array also 1-dimensional, that is also possible. So here what we will do, we will just give 15 value, and then I will just go there, enter and arr. So again it is converted into 1-dimensional. So this way we can convert our arrays from 1-dimensional to 2-dimensional, 2-dimensional to 3-dimensional, or 3-dimensional to 1-dimensional. That's all for watching this video, and stay tuned and subscribe.